Jobs like this that just really drives me nuts. This is a lady's house over in Oakdale. She's got a side tap return. That idiot snakes it over like this. Uh, and the furnace, he's tapped off half of the bottom of the furnace. It's not even tapped. He's got the return all kinked, and yeah, there's a truss in the way, but there were some ways to work around this. He just butchered this. Thing's leaking like a sieve. None of this is sealed. I don't know if you can see the air just blowing through here. This stuff's not even sealed. The big gaps in the tape. I can feel air coming out of this thing. The duct leakage on this was just crazy out the wazoo. Not enough return. This is a 5-ton unit. Is not enough return. The way this is installed is just idiotic. This guy should be shot, and if he's pooking, he doesn't know how to pookie worth the darn. Look at the gap that I'm seeing right there. That is a gap, and that's just blowing air out like you wouldn't. It's not even dovetailed in correctly. There's no screws. Just ridiculous install. This kind of stuff just drives me nuts when I see this kind of stuff. I see it all the time. This could have been reworked and made way better than it is. I don't know. These people paid good money. They need to make this bitch come back and this SOB come back and redo it. I'll cut out the son of a bitch. I'll bleep it out. So, all right.